Approaches in identification children with additional disabilities. There are four types of approaches are there to identify the children with additional disabilities. They are: 1. Cognitive approach, 2. Sensory approach, 3. Ability based approach, 4. Society based approach. 1. Cognitive approach. Classification of children are mentally retarded, slow learners, normal learners, academically advanced learners, and gifted learners. This classification is purely based on the cognitive functions of the child. For example, the child who has in IQ between 56 to 70 will come under the category of educable, mentally retarded children. These children can find learning more difficult if they have visual impairment too. Second, sensory approach. In this approach, identifying disabilities are three groups: blindness, deafness, or the category of deaf-blind children. The deaf child's main problem is in the area of communication skills. Therefore, the deaf-blind child will have a serious disadvantage in both orientation and communication skills. As a result, these children have to be provided compensatory experiences mostly through tactile approach. 3. Ability based approach. There are many children who experience difficulty in processing information. These children lack adequate skills in attention, perception, memory, encoding, etc. Then, child gets learning disability also with visually impairment will have a serious problem in understanding concepts. Through perceptual problems, the child gets dysgraphia, dyslexia, and dyscalculia, etc. defects also. Next approach is society based approach. Among visually impaired children and children with disabilities, some of them are facing emotional problems too. The behavior disorders in these children may also be a result of social problems such as the states of experience of neglect, overprotection, etc. A disabled child who does not have a conducive family support or parental affection is likely to have psychological effects leading to isolation, maladjusted behavior, etc. These children have to be provided the most appropriate environment for overcoming difficulties. Instructional areas and strategies. Instructional areas and strategies. Early childhood care and education is very important for program development. The teacher and parents need to understand the normal development pattern of children in the area of language, cognition, motor, emotional, and social skills, and techniques to minimize the deprivation of the visually impaired child. The development